supposed to know. What is the web application you should know first. So what is the web application is, it should have the login page. Okay, login will allow you to log in, username, password, credential check karo. Login, whenever you logged in the page, there should be some uh, this is considered, login page is considered as the authentication, right? If there could be multiple roles like the admin, sales, user, some roles will have some page access, some users will have the same page access but with some functionality. They can't delete, might be they can edit but they can't delete, or they can read but they can't delete or edit. This is considered as the authorization. So you have to learn the how we do the authentication, authorization, right? That is one of the key aspect of the any project, right or wrong? So you should able to learn that. ठीक है ना? Second thought is, whenever you are going to do any transactions thing, which is the actual our projects are, what you require the first thing as a list कि भैया मेरा अभी कितना डेटा है. Then you can add some data, edit some data, delete some data, right? So you require the grid system, which abhi grid when we talk about grid system, it should have the sorting, filtering, pagination, okay, and edit, add, delete. Okay, so that is you are going to learn from here. Okay, with web API call means data should be on the different server, so it should be persistent data, right now. Then what's happened, you are creating full a web application, so it cannot happen ki it's simple pages. There would be the model pop-up also. When I will click on edit, it will open the model pop-up. There you can edit the page, right? So you should able to write, create your own model pop-up. Okay, there would be client requirement which will say to show the user detail on the tab basis, because data is very huge, so you don't want to make the big page like is in scrolling. What you want to make the tab system, right? So client can ask the tab system also. As the tab system, you client can ask the accordion also. For some application, user can ask you the uh, carousel also, because I want to show some flashy news with time, right now. If you are creating application, there would be the menu could be drill down menu also, right? So these all things you should suppose to build in the Angular. Okay, and we are going to teach you these all things whatever I have talked right now. Okay, everything, and without using any third party. So when everyone will say might be कि you will able to build your own model pop-up on tab. I can use the bootstrap library, NGX bootstrap library also, where I just need to copy paste the DL tag. Okay, but I am going to teach you create your own, means you will write every single line of code for you in this project. Okay, you will not use any third party plugin with this class. Third party plugin like in jQuery, till now you might have seen that मेनू की jQuery डाल दी, पॉपअप की jQuery डाल दी और हो गया. You know what is internally going on? No, but after this class you would able to know internal, because we are not going to use any plugin. We just want, you are going to use our writing our code, so you will know these all things for sure. Okay, and we are going to teach you that things, and you just need to do the practice. Okay, then to how to improve the performance. So performance के लिए whatever the, there are the n number of type of Angular has provided the feature for right. In routing module they have provided lazy loading. Okay, to modularize approach to development Angular and normal development. So we'll learn these all three. Okay, that's would be your learning. What I'll add, update, delete, when I say, so I will open the edit page, detail page, or the we can save that data, update that data. Okay, what else you do in any web application? Leave about Angular. What else you have built in the Java? till now? Java or .NET. What else you do in any project? You have 10 year of experience, right? So what you do in web application excluding this? So that's all are cover. Not only you do the CRUD operation, but I am covering more than that. Okay, na? One more thing, what we can't do, you have to understand that also. So whatever the client side frameworks are, they cannot directly access the server resource. Okay, so if you want to do the send the email, you cannot send email by the Angular application. If you want to store some data into database, you cannot store data into database directly. If you want to store some file on the server, you can't do that work by the Angular. You have to create some web service code which is called as backend code, and that backend code could be written in the .NET, Node.js, Java, PHP, Python or any other language, but you have to understand limitation. So what cannot do in Angular, whatever the network and file storage and database operations cannot be done by Angular, you have to understand that. So these three things, because this class would not be for the backend code. Okay, this class would be focused purely on the client side code. We are not going to cover these all things. Okay? And I am not covering, that's not the topic. If anyone will say they are covering in the Angular, they are just bluffing, because it is impossible to cover in Angular. ठीक है ना? Angular cannot handle this thing till we are not writing the native code. Okay, and we are not going to write the native code here. ठीक है ना? So that's the key thing, you have to understand the limitation of the Angular also, or it's not limitation of Angular, it is limitation of the all client side framework. React also cannot do the same thing. Knockout is any JavaScript which works on the browser, but you can't say JavaScript limitation, right? Because if I will write that code in Node.js and I will write the backend in Node.js Express, I can do anything right now. So might be you guys will surely join in future Node.js, so that thing time I will going to teach that also. All thing which I have told you can't do that, that is going to cover in that course. ठीक है ना? And that time we'll cover this web application connect with the Node.js, full operation, add, update, delete, file upload. That time I will cover that all things. But add, update, delete will cover right now also, don't worry about that. API calling, and I am going to store the data right now on the where Firebase के ऊपर हम लोग store करेंगे, which is the Google database. Okay, and provide the REST APIs to upload the update the data and add the data. You might have heard about Firebase, someone? No, so you'll learn that also, basic of that. ठीक है ना? As well as if you want to, that is the your development perspective, right? But at the same time, if you will go for the interview, you have to remember one thing, interview will never start Java का interview आप Java Spring का interview will start from Java Spring. No. MVC का इंटरव्यू MVC से स्टार्ट होता है क्या? नहीं होता. It will start with the core language. Like in Java, you have to give the answer first about the Java. Then they will ask question about Spring, right? Now, like the same is whenever you will say you are the Angular developer, first thing they are going to ask you the question about the JavaScript. Okay, so 80% of JavaScript question, interview questions, we are going to cover here. And when you say that JavaScript, there are two versions, not three versions of JavaScript in market. Java ECMAScript 5, ECMAScript 6, ECMAScript 7. Okay, you should supposed to know the all things. हालांकि ECMAScript 7 में कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's there nothing more in ECMAScript 7, but ECMAScript 5 to 6 is big transformation.